How many tentacles does an octopus have? 8 tentacles. Which is the smallest bird alive? Hummingbird. What is a group of peacocks called? Muster. Which part becomes modified as the tusk of elephant? Second incisor. Which continent is known as the land of kangaroo? Australia. How many days is the average pregnancy period of a female dog? 63 days. What is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. What is a female rabbit called? Doe. Name the only animal that dislikes white color. Tiger. Which is the only animal that sleeps on its back? Man. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? Nagarjuna Sri Shailam Sanctuary. What is special about a sword-billed hummingbird? Its bill is longer than the rest of its body. How many number of chambers are there in a reptile's heart? 3 chambers. What is the wingspan of a bald eagle? 8 feet. Syrinx is the voice box in which animal? Birds. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Dolphin. What does the word langur means? Long-tailed. Which bird lays only one egg in 2 years? Albatross. The first forest show was established in Mexico in which year? 1898. Which is the world's heaviest flying birds? Great bustard. Which phenomenon do bats or dolphins use to find prey, predators or obstacles? Echolocation. What does egg-laying mammals are called? Prototherians. To which class do honeybees bees belong? Insecta. What was the name of the first cloned sheep? Dolly. Lion, leopard and tiger are all species of which genus? Panthera.